Hey there friends, or welcome to this channel if you're new. My name is Tam, I'm a photographer based here in Montreal, and you're here today because you feel awkward in front of the camera. And although I understand, most people do, myself included, I think there are a few tips and tricks that I can give you today that will help you feel less awkward. So, let's head to the couch. So, what does it even mean to be awkward in front of the camera? Well, my personal definition is this. Anytime someone looks at you in a photo and feels something fake about it, meaning that you're putting up walls on that at that moment, or you're trying to hide something or cover it up with another emotion, and your emotion is not clear, that is awkward, if they can tell that it is fake. Let me show you 3 examples of awkward situations I've seen over and over again, and let me know if any of these sound familiar. Oh, come on, dude. Get out of here. So, what made these 3 examples just so weird? I think the key problem of why you might look awkward on photos is that you're holding yourself back. You might be afraid of showing emotions or being vulnerable on camera, because that is very scary. And so you'll resort to quick fixes like poses you've learned or expressions you've seen somewhere that made you look okay in the past. But the problem with all that is it makes you look inauthentic, and that in turn makes you look awkward. If you look at portraits done by great masters like Peter Lindbergh, you'll see that these photos just breathe emotion. There's so much authenticity in there that it makes the picture and the subject in it so incredibly real and beautiful. The key seems to be to focus on emotion. Now that's much easier said than done, so I'd love to share 2 tips with you to help you get there easier. The first is the mindset of 110%. So what is that mindset of 110%? Well, it's a fancy way of me telling you to give it your all and more once a camera is pointed at you. In a photo session, when the camera's pointed at you, it's not the time to run away, to be shy, but it's a time to shine, to stop holding yourself back and just let it all out. Give yourself permission to look good. Just do it. Your photographer and you will thank yourself for it. So the next time you're in front of a camera and you're unsure of what to do with your face, start by looking down at the ground or close your eyes. Try it. Do it right now. Now I want you to think of a memory or a person that gives you this warm, fuzzy feeling in your belly. You got it? Feel that warmth in your belly. Really focus in on that feeling. And when you have it, look up at the lens. There, that right there, that expression right there is what I want you to have. It's warm, it's kind, it's genuine. It's what a photographer like me is dying to catch. Try it again in front of a mirror, go ahead. Look down, feel that warm feeling in your belly, and look up. Notice the kind eyes and the light smirk you have there. And for a second you probably forgot that there was a photographer and a camera and it was just you and a feeling. Moments like these, moments where you're truly you, is where you shine the most, is where you are the most beautiful, I think. Nothing lasts forever though, and expressions like these are fleeting. To get around stiffening up, you can simply refresh. Look down again, or up, or just simply away from the camera. Get that feeling back. Enjoy the warmth that comes back rushing through your body. And once you have it again, come back to the lens. One important note though, when you move your head, don't forget to move your chin as well, because otherwise this will happen. Alright my friends, recap time. So the trick to look less awkward on photos is to focus on emotion. Look down, get that emotion through your body, and once you have it, look straight into the lens. If you feel yourself stiffening up, just look away and come back when you're ready. Now all of these things are much easier to do if you have a great photographer who can guide you through the process. But even if you don't have one handy, I hope this trick will help you look less awkward on photos in the future. So my friends, remember, feel the love, keep it fresh, I'll see you next time and have a good life.